nephew. He met this young lady. She's 18.
Right.
And she's a citizen, so he wants to marry her. So she could file for him to make him a citizen.
Okay.
Okay, for at the age of 18 for her, will it work?
How old is he?
32.
That's a big age difference, 18 and 32. But yes, if it's a bona fide marriage, yes.
I have a friend. She is actually married to her husband. She filed a VAWA case about 2 or 3 years ago, but it got denied. But she and her husband are still together, and now he wants to file for her. Would that be an issue?
No, as long as they're together and they can prove it's a real marriage, it's fine.
I came to America 2016 on an H-2B program.
Right.
I extended my time 2 times. I got married in 2017.
Right.
Before I did it, I didn't do any paperwork or anything. I came home 2017, and then 2018 we started the paperwork. They sent out an RFE that they wanted the I-130A for, and we did send in all of that, but sometimes they lose stuff and they want it back.
Right.
I was wondering, when we're doing the I-130A again, should we send back my extension papers in again?
You're doing an I-130A?
Yes.
For what?
Spouse supplement.
No, you only need the supplement if you're in the United States. You're outside the U.S.
My papers work from 2017, and I get my work permit, but I haven't get an interview as yet. So.
Based on what? Marriage?
Yeah, based on marriage.
Okay, and where? This is This is in New York. You've been pending
yes,
since when?
in New York. Yeah.
Since when?
New York.
Since when?
I did it in 2017. I think it's October 2017, and I haven't received.
We're 2019 now. So you're a year and a half into this. You should come see me and let's see what happened to your case. I don't know what happened, but you should come see me. A year and a half is a pretty long time. Hold on 1 second.
I have a friend, okay? She's married to a citizen, but she doesn't know if she's to put in her I-130 first. On top of that, he's living with his mom, but he contributes. So,
all right. But do they live together with the mom?
What was that?
They live together in the same household, so the husband, wife, and the mom all live together.
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. They put in a whole adjustment all at one time.
Okay, everything one time.
One time.
So like how he contributes and there's no bill in his name, it doesn't really matter?
Well, you're gonna have to prove they live together, so maybe mom will write a letter saying they contribute, but they have to have some mail come to them at their address. They have to have some bank account and credit cards or something. They got to show a driver's license that says they live there. I mean, nobody lives somewhere in 2019 and doesn't get one item of mail addressed to you in your married name.
Okay.
Okay? All right, it's impossible.
I have a friend that she went in for an interview, I think it's in September, and they gave her 120 days. And her work permit is up in March, but she wants to renew the work permit. Can she renew the work permit along with the parole advance, or can she just submit the work permit only to renew until she gets...
You should do both. Why not do both? But you can do just the work permit if that's what you want.
Yeah, but I think she wants also the travel document in case of an emergency. She has to go.
Yeah, do both.
So okay, and does she have to pay for both or just one?
No, well, I don't know where she's at, but they generally
she did an interview and they gave her 120 days to get back to her, but they haven't gotten back to her as yet.
All right. Well, generally on the first renewal, you don't have to pay for it. It's only on the ones that are after that. So, hopefully she doesn't have to pay for it. I don't know where she is right now with it.
My question is, I'm asking for a friend. He has a misdemeanor since a long time, and he did the probation successfully. And he is in a permanent resident 10 years. And his question is, when he can file for the citizenship, how long?
5 years. He needs 5 years good moral character. So 5 years from whenever his probation and his whatever, when the case is over. So let's say he got a misdemeanor and they said, okay, you do a 1 year probation.
Yes.
So it's going to be 5 years at the end of that probation. If he got a misdemeanor and they said pay a fine and that's it, 5 years after he paid the fine.
Okay. The second question is, yesterday I did ask you about me. I did cut the bracelet and left to my country, to Jordan.
Oh, I remember. You're right. Okay, I remember now. Right. Okay.
Yeah, I did call 4 lawyers. 3 of them says that I will do a year and a half to 3 years to be approved, and I will have to file waiver 601.
I would need to review. I would need to review all of your records. I don't remember. I remember the question that you cut off your bracelet. That
yes.
in of itself is a crime. So you have all sorts of issues. I wouldn't suggest doing anything or filing anything. The only thing I would do at this point in time is hire me or hire a good lawyer to review all of your records and then decide what to do. Any lawyer, I want you to know something. Any lawyer who's going to give you advice based on you being in deportation, having an ankle bracelet on, you cutting the anklet bracelet off and self-deporting yourself, and saying this is what you're going to do without reviewing your records is like a doctor trying to operate without a CAT scan, an X-ray, and a blood test. Okay, there's certain things you got to do ahead of time to make sure that what you're saying and what you're doing is correct.
Can you go ahead and remarry while you have a pending VAWA case?
Yes, but you can't have both cases going. You would have to, if you want to go through your current wife, you would have to withdraw the VAWA.
No, I mean your abusive spouse, she have already moved on with her life and into another relationship, and even have a child into that relationship. So, and she put in a divorce, and the divorce was finalized. So, with your pending VAWA case, can you go ahead and remarry while your case is still pending?
Yes, but the answer is yes. But I was going to say if your current wife wants to file for you, you would have to withdraw the VAWA case first. But you just want to get married because you love this woman, go get married.
Yeah.
Yes.
She's not fine. She's not fine for him. She's already moved on. She's into another relationship, and she have a child in that relationship.
Wait. Whoa. I'm confused. You filed a VAWA case.
Yep.
And your wife divorced you, and your question is, can you marry a second person? And the answer is yes, you can.
Okay.
And what I'm saying to you is, if that second person, the second wife, not your former wife, your second wife wants to file for you, you would have to withdraw the VAWA case first. If you're just marrying because you love this woman and you're going to continue on the VAWA case, by all means, go do it. Thanks for watching. For more Bradshaw Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.